Hello, Siki. Welcome to Cat Express. What would you like to do? I mean, like, where would you like to go? Okay. UFO is a really recommended place. Would you like to go there? Okay, I'll take you there real quick. Down. Okay, good, Silky. Now it's going to UFO. Okay, let's go. Oh no, a little bump. We'll be there soon. There's something down here. Hold on. Let's go. Your UFO, enjoy your stay. Hey, Siki, would you like to go back home? Okay, let's go. Turn around, okay? Let's turn around. Run tight, okay? Let's go. Stay still. Let's go. Oh, stay still. Escaped! Siki!